Hello everyone, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video we'll be making this yummy and delicious potatoes porridge, guys. You can call it Mpotompoto or Mpinho, anyhow you call it. Let's dive into it. So this is gonna be our ingredients for our potatoes porridge, or Mpotompoto, anyhow you want to call it. So I want to say thank you to everybody, my new and old subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, oh boy, please pause the video, click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that you get more updates from CONNIEMARTS TV. for Mpotompoto na ready you. Guys, so our Mpotompoto potato porridge, yam porridge, anyhow you want to call it, is ready, guys. As looking so appetizing and inviting, guys. Okay, so with this, it's kids friendly, okay? So it's kids friendly, and your kids can have it, okay? They can have it. If your kids don't like the vegetables in it, you can just blend everything, okay? You can blend everything, and guys, you try it. Like a kid who doesn't eat at home, like don't like food, just try it and he or she will love it, guys. That's as it. Charlie. And with the meat too, you don't, I mean, you can use any kind of meat, and but I always prefer the fish powder because I really get the taste in it, okay? And I'm also an egg freak. Yeah, I really love eggs, so I always eat egg with anything, so I always go with an egg, and I am good to go, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Bye.